Yep, and because
The only difference between screwing around and science is writing it down.
Adam plots the increase in negative pressure measured in mercury
So right now it's just at 3 inches of mercury.
against time and temperature.
6 inches Hg.
How much of a vacuum will crush the can is unknown. But quantifying the failure point is the first step to understanding the process.
I like linear data.
I'm partial to exponential curves myself.
So the more data we gather from this as it cools down and eventually crumples, the better equipped we are to deal with contingencies out there in the field.
Oh! Whoa!
That was just at 16 inches of mercury.
These implosions are fascinating. There's a slow, intense buildup of the pressure differential, and with no warning. But what did we learn? Well, it took 8 minutes for the steam to cool, which dropped the pressure to minus 16 inches of mercury. Considering that 30 inches of mercury is a full vacuum, that's significant.
Cool sounds.
And that's just from heating a little water in the drum. What happens when we introduce a high-powered steam cleaner into the equation?
Temperature's climbing fast.
Coming up on Mythbusters.
That is awesome!
Not only is this
Without a doubt, one of my favorite small-scale experiments we've ever done.
Whoa!
the story is on track to be the biggest logistical challenge they've ever tackled.
Holy
Pressure vessels and pressure differential are familiar themes the Mythbusters hold dear to their physics-loving hearts. But in this final season spectacular, they're investigating a monumental implosion.
This is gonna be cool.
Can condensing steam really cause a supersized freight train tank car to crash?
Oh! Wow!
This is great. We are gathering data, we're learning stuff, we're moving forward.
Oh! Whoa!
16 inches of mercury. But the most important part about this right now is that the original tanker truck had apparently been steam cleaned prior to the implosion incident. Therefore, we're gonna move on to another 55-gallon drum, but this time we're dispensing with the burner and the boiling water, and we're gonna steam clean it in advance.
Okay, here we go.
Go for it.
We're gonna try and get its temperature up
150.
and a lot of steam in there before we cap it and see if we can initiate another crushing incident.
170. Temperature's climbing fast.
Will the high-pressure steam cleaner make a difference?
All right. Ceiling at 203.
It seems so. This crucial component of the mythical mishap has raised the starting temperature by 10 degrees. Consequently, it's taking longer for the steam to cool and condense,
So much tension.
and the negative pressure to build.
16 minutes.
Whoa!
Ooh. That gets you every time.
Whew, that is a heck of a rush. That was 17 and a half.
There was a greater pressure differential.
Oh, yeah.
It took twice as long to implode. And appeared more violent.